You better like and sub. What's up, guys? It's your boy Kiddos, and today we're going to be in a farm with cute animals and yeah, a lot of stuff. So stay tuned. Okay, hold on. I'm recording. By the way, I don't know why, but a lady duck is called the Drake for some reason.
It's a guy.
What?
No.
A guy? Yo, they are so cute. I like how they walk. Baby girl is so cute. Ronaldo's right here. Again. I'm recording that.
That's the mommy, I think. Oh, it's not. Oh my god.
No. Yeah.
Mother, what are you doing?
Okay.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh shit. Oh, they're gonna slaughter this one?
No! They're helping it. Oh my god.
So cute. No, every one is big.
Oh, that is.
The one with the That's why men are strong.
Cheese.
Cheese. Wait, I feel like I see a baby.
There's no babies.
Hello, there.
Those are like other male goats.
Yeah. Oh, this one buried itself. This one dug a hole so it could sit down, but I scared him away.
Or to escape.
Bro wants to escape from prison. Please, okay? Oh wait, there's like an eggshell. Yo, wait. This did not. Bro's angry. One because we get up by a ground. Look at. Why is there just a toilet seat in the middle of nowhere? What the? You can connect it to anything.
Skibidi toilet.
You're so brainwashed. Oh my god. I'm sorry. Hi.
Yo.
My tooth.
Your tooth.
Yeah, my tooth.
Only one.
Yeah. Look at those roosters.
Look at all those chickens.
Oh, I scared him. I don't think you're allowed to go in there.
I'm not in there.
Oh, yeah. Okay, guys. This is the farm, as you can see. And we're actually, finished the goats were really cute. There was a lot of man goats over there. It was so, I don't like the sound of them. It's like, sounds so deep. And one showed me his teeth. It was like, you can see that clip from before. And right now we're walking to our car so we can go to a beach.
هذيك ما شفتها خارج.
Now we just gotta dig it.
محمد. يلا بديش رجعت. خلاص يلا قدي حلا. قدي حلا تعبتني. بديش لسه اشرب لي شاي وكوبانه.
Okay, let's go find some seashells.
Here. I saw a really nice one over here. It's like rainbow.
Let's go in this area.
Why?
Because there's no one. Wait, look.
What?
Ooh, look at this.
That's the most basic seashell I've ever seen.
That looks beautiful.
I saw an even more beautiful one. Wait. It's over. Wait. Tad, like.
Big seashell.
Oh my god. Is that a sand dollar? Oh.
It's so thin.
Well, show the camera. So she show. Oh my god.
I want to wash that.
Wait, I saw a really nice one over here earlier. Oh yeah, over here. Wait. See this one.
Keep it.
It's full of sand. Inside is like rainbow.
Keep it, I swear. We keep these two.
Yellow, what else?
Where is that? Oh, there's another one of
It's
these.
chipped.
Yeah.
I don't want it. What is that?
Wait, what? What's that?
Ew.
Wait, what is that? Wait, that looks colorful. Oh wait, no, that one.
Hamada,
Small, colorful seashell.
hell no. What is this?
Ooh, yeah, what is that? It's a basic seashell.
It's not even the full thing, it's cracked.
Wait, is that another sand?
Oh! It's a shark fin. Okay. I know that. What? What did you find? Yo, that's a dead animal!
It's not a dead animal.
That is! That's literally, oh my god.
What's that?
It's a dead animal.
What's that dead animal? What kind of animal is that?
It's the animal that lives in seashells.
Like,
Hamada sandy cheeks. Bro, Hamada sandy cheeks. No. What? Bro, this is a rock. Oh, look at this one!
what is that?
Hamada, look at this.
Oh.
Take it.
Wait, what's that?
Whoa!
Did you find a fossil?
It's
I swear I'm taking that.
Yeah, we're taking that. Take this one, take this one.
Okay, wait, but there's a lot of them.
No, we have some of the crabs. We don't want this one. Let's check out.
Is there a crab inside? Come. Why?
No. Whoa. Oh, it's broken. Wait. Oh, look, I like this one. This one's cool. Wait, this one. Okay, take it. Take it with your hands. On your feet. Okay, alright.
Oh, we got this. I don't know how much it's worth. It might be worth a lot.
Hamada, that's literally like worth nothing. What are you talking about?
No, it doesn't worth a lot. I don't think we're that
Bro's so broke. He's trying to look for shells that are worth a lot. Oh my god. Hamada, you know crabs live in there.
Nice.
You just blocked its home. That's so mean.
Let's take it all down there. Wait.
Okay, let's go back. Let's go back to building. That's ew.
But inside it's like, wait, no, wait, this one?
Gang, pick it up. Yeah. I'm at this little glass. Let's go. Alright, there's glass. Don't step on it.
No, there's no glass. No, but come on, find the glass.
Let's go. Run.
I'm gonna go the water.
You're gonna go in the water?
Yeah, come on. I mean, it's these balls, okay?
By the way, guys, Hamada's such a slow walker. What? Walk faster!
Whoa, lots of this. My $10.
Okay, you have some sand on your chin. Okay, oh, your mouth is so crispy. Let's go. Okay.
You know, it's doing like a beautiful artwork. Not gonna lie. Should we go there? No, even mom's there.
No, yeah. Yellow.
No, wait, what is this?
$10, bro. Hurry up.
For the grand finale. Wait. There's no more sand. Hold on. Now for the grand finale. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Not bad. What? Why would I want to keep this one? Wait. Oh my god.
Wait, is that like a? I don't know what is
Put
that?
this like here, and then this one
Behind it.
put it here. It's like the door, the
Okay.
entrance.
And these are the people.
No, give me. No, put it like here. Oh, that looks so cool.
There's another sand dollar.
No, you don't want that. That one looks kind of ugly.
Wait a minute.
What the hell? Oh my god, guys, he doesn't know how to decorate.
Yeah.
Oh, what if I just do this?
What if I just do this?
Don't do that. No, wait.
Wait, did you bury? Oh, nah.
Guys, it's literally just a sand block now. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh no, I accidentally ruined it.
No, this and this is my favorite. And this. I don't like this for some reason. I like the inside of it.
Yo, bro.
No one touch these. I'm gonna go to the quicksand. Caught an alive crab. There's a lot of crabs there. This is quicksand. I'm literally sinking. It's just like
my
mud.
God.
What is that? What the hell is that? Is that a fish?
Where?
No, there.
My fish stomach. What are you talking about? Hamada, I don't like this.
I'm literally sinking.
You. Mala.
I caught an alive crab.
Yalla, walk in the quicksand.
Oh, you guys don't know how disgusting that is.
Keep walking. Oh my god, I don't want to be here anymore. I'm out.
I like this.
Hamada, I stepped on something sharp. I don't want to be here. Khalas, I'm out. Khalas. Oh my god. Yalla.
Guys, I fell on quicksand and I saw a horseshoe crab. It's still alive. Oh, my day is not good today. It does look like a horseshoe, by the way. I fell on quicksand.
شوف نشيها تتحرك عشان يقولوا هي
Fake. Dead.
شوف كيف تتحرك.
It's real, guys, I swear.
عينك
See, it's moving.
Oh my god.
That is so disgusting.
بس انتي بتقربي لها بطنها ما تبديش من بعيد.
This is my first time seeing a horseshoe crab in real life.
بس ليه اخذوها من البحر؟
I think يطبخوها.
لا مو هكذا.
Oh.
أصلاً مو هكذا عشان قلبتيها. The legs are there.
أيوه.
Where did you just find it like this?
Yeah.
Thank you guys for watching this video and bye.